Chapter 2: Animals Around Us. New to know: body coverings, food habits, breathing methods, movements. Animals are found in different parts of the earth. The place where animals live is called their habitat. Animals living in a particular habitat adapt themselves to the surroundings. There are two main habitats: land, forest, desert, polar regions, and mountains. Water, ocean, and fresh water. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Some animals live both on land and in water. They are called amphibians. In order to adjust to their surroundings, animals have different body features. Let's know about them. Body coverings. Animals like sheep, polar bear, and yak have special body coverings like wool and fur. They keep their bodies warm and protect them from extreme cold. The body of birds is covered with feathers. They keep them warm and help them to fly. Fish have scales that do not allow water to enter the body. Reptiles like snake, crocodile, and lizards also have scales for protection. Scales are the overlapping plates of hard material covering the skin of many fish and reptiles. Tortoise, turtle, and snail are protected by hard shell. These animals draw their heads and feet into the shell and hide to protect themselves from their enemies. Food habits. Different animals have different food habits. On the basis of their food habits, they are classified as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants. They have sharp front teeth to cut plants and broad back teeth to chew and grind it. Cow, deer, goat, horse, zebra, etc. are herbivores. Carnivores are animals that eat only animals. They have sharp and pointed front teeth for tearing flesh. Their back teeth help them to chew food. Lion, tiger, wolf, fox, eagle, etc. are carnivores. Carnivores birds like eagles and hawk have sharp claws called talons to catch and grip their prey. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals. Crow, man, bear, etc. are omnivores. They have both types of teeth. Add-ons. Decomposers are very small organisms that feed on dead and decaying plants and animals. Squirrel and rabbits have sharp front teeth to gnaw their food. They are known as rodents. Butterflies and mosquitoes have long tube called proboscis to suck their food in the form of nectar and blood. Breathing methods. Different animals have different breathing organs. Some of them are: insects like grasshoppers and mosquitoes have small openings called spiracles on their body. The spiracles lead into a network of tubes called tracheae. Air enters the spiracles and then passes through the trachea. Wonder box. A whale looks like a fish, but it is a mammal. It breathes with its lungs. A whale keeps coming up to the surface of water. It does so only to fill its lungs with air. Spiracles are breathing holes in an insect's body. Oxygen from this air is absorbed by the tissues of the body. Carbon dioxide is removed from the body through the spiracles. Gill is a breathing organ found in almost all aquatic animals like fish, crab, tadpole, prawn, etc. Gills help to absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Whales and dolphins also live in water. They have lungs to take in oxygen from the air, so they cannot breathe underwater and have to come up to the surface of water to breathe. They breathe through blowholes. Birds, reptiles, and mammals breathe through lungs. The human beings take in air through the nose. The air goes into the lungs through the windpipe. Amphibians like frogs, salamanders, and toads can breathe through their lungs as well as gills and skin. A frog breathes through its skin in water and with its lungs on land. Movements. Animals move from one place to another in order to search food, shelter, and to protect themselves from enemies. Terrestrial animals have 2 or 4 pair of limbs. Lion, deer, giraffe, zebra, etc. walk and run on all four limbs. Kangaroos hop about on their back limbs because they are longer and stronger. Reptiles like lizard, crocodile and snake use different forms of locomotion. Lizards and crocodiles have small legs that they use to crawl on ground. Snakes use scales present on underside of their body to crawl. Birds can hop or walk on land, swim in water and fly in air. The four limbs of a bird are modified in form of wings that help them to fly. Parrot, sparrow, vulture, etc. are common birds that fly in sky. Some birds cannot fly because they have very heavy bodies and poorly developed wings. They are called flightless birds. Emu, ostrich, kiwi, penguin, etc. are flightless birds. Add-ons. Eagles have extremely keen sight that it can spot even well-camouflaged prey from a very high distance. In fact, the eagle's vision is among the sharpest of any animal, and studies suggest that some eagles can spot an animal the size of a rabbit up to 2 miles away. Water birds like duck, swan, etc. can swim in water due to their webbed feet. Aquatic animals like frog use their webbed feet to swim in water. Fish have fins to move in water. It uses its tail fin to change direction. Insects like butterflies, bees, houseflies, mosquitoes, etc. have small body and wings that help them to fly. Migration. Migration is the mass movement of animals from one region to another in response to changes in weather, habitat, or availability of food. Animals migrate because the conditions in their habitat become adverse to support life. Sometimes the weather becomes too cold, sometimes it becomes too hot, and sometimes there is scarcity of food. Sometimes migration takes place due to the natural calamities such as earthquake, droughts, etc. The Arctic tern travels from the Arctic to the Antarctic in winter. It goes back during summer. Monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico during the winter season. Besides these, some other animals like caribou, elk, salmons, etc. too migrate. Final learnings. Animals are found in different parts of the earth. The place where animals live is called their habitat. Animals like sheep, polar bear, and yak have special body covering like wool and fur. On the basis of the food habits, animals are classified as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Insects like grasshoppers and mosquitoes have small openings called spiracles on their body. Migration is the mass movement of animals from one region to another in response to the changes in weather, habitat, or availability of food.